Installing the adapter for Audi. Step 1. Remove the covers. Use the included pry tool. To carefully pry, open the gap in the cover. Remove the upper cover first. Then take off the lower cover. Step 2. Connect the Y cable. There are 2 closed connectors. Gently press down the outer connector. Locate the vehicle's original 3-pin connector. Then lift the 3-pin connector upward to disconnect it. Connect the vehicle's original 3-pin connector to the 3-pin port on the Y cable. Plug the Y cable's 3-pin connector into the vehicle's original port. Step 3. Connect the adapter to the dash cam. Attach the Y cable's 8-pin circular connector to the adapter's port. Hide the cable. Remove the 3M type backing on the adapter and mount it to the windshield. Connect the adapter to your dash cam using the provided cable. Reinstall the covers to their original position. Finally, your adapter and dash cam are now ready to use.